So this is a quick tutorial to help you set up Panopto locally on your laptop. We have been asked to teach everything remotely, and luckily this semester I was teaching um, using distance learning tools. The software that we are using is called Panopto. So here I am on web courses at my university, and if I scroll down, I can actually go through my course, which is EMA 6130, which is over here. So I'm going to go ahead and click that through web courses. And like I said, luckily I'm already using Panopto, and I'll show you the hardware setup in a second. If you go scroll down on your left, you'll see Panopto videos link. You go ahead and click that, and then essentially it shows up everything that has been recorded in the past. And starting today, I'm moving into an office sort of a setup instead of going um, to the studio and recording my lectures. I'll be trying to do everything through my office. So here are the old videos. There are about 16 of these. And what I'll try to do is basically go ahead and click on the button called Create. And you find a couple of choices here. One says record a new session, the other one is Panopto Capture beta version. Don't click the second link, click the first link. It's called record a new session. So go ahead and click that, and it then essentially, if you have Panopto downloaded, it will allow you to open the software itself. So all I have is my screen capture on my left that's using my webcam. The screen capture, I'm sorry, is on your right hand side. But because I use a dock cam, I have a fairly cheap Logitech webcam over here, and that's basically focused on the sheet of paper that I'll be writing my lecture notes on. It's USB connected right here, and all I have to do then is go into my software and say add another video source, and if you click on that, you'll see the Logitech HD webcam C270 show up. You go ahead and click that, and essentially boom, there you go, that's my document, and I can essentially start my video by hitting record. So that's all I have. If you have questions, you can always ask your local university IT department, and they should be able to help you out. Thank you.